Hi homeowners! Welcome back to our channel again. I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty. So for today's vlog, we will be featuring Madonna Residences here in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. So together with me is Mr.
Joni.
Hi Sir Joni!
Hello.
So we will be featuring 3 model units here in Madonna.
Yes.
Namely, we have
The Melcon, Julieta, and the Abigail.
Abigail. Okay, so unahin na natin is the Julieta model unit. So Julieta comes with a standard lot area of 164 square meter and a floor area of 135 square meter. So as we've entered with the house, of course, it comes with 2-car garage, di ba Sir Joni?
Yes, yes sir, tama po. So for Julieta model, as you can see, pahaba yung parking niya kasi para sa mga SUV and vans, kasya na talaga siya. So worryless sa mga dalawang sasakyan, they can park their car here na safe ang mga sasakyan nila.
And I've noticed na wala siyang, Sir Joni, fence. Diba?
Po, yes. Sa mga project namin, sa mga model house namin, kung mapapansin niyo, mga houses sa Madonna, wala talaga silang mga gates. To achieve nung ating US Mediterranean houses. Pero rest assured tayo sa security ng subdivision kasi may mga roofing guards tayo and mga CCTVs na
24/7.
Yes.
So since single detached yung mga bahay dito, so you still have the provision for your, of course, your garden here and the lanay.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Dito.
So sa lanay, ito yung natin. Parang extension from the dining area. Pwede ka mag-set up ng small table here. You can have coffee
in the morning, diba?
Yes. Gusto mo mag-relax, pwede dito.
Yes.
Buong family kasya dito.
Yep. And then, what I love also about this is its backyard. So, dito sa backyard, you still have a lot of space, no? Na pwedeng gamitin. So, pwede pa bang magtayo ng swimming pool dito? Di ba?
Ang sinasuggest namin, sir, is yung mga inflatable pool. Pwede siya. Kaya lang yun, masasayang kasi yung space natin. Pwede siyang gawin as landscape. So marami. Pwede ka rin mag-set ng big table here pag mga Sunday events, mga bisita natin. Pwede natin silang dalhin dito. May privacy.
Yes.
So hindi na nila kakailanganin yung parking na gamitin. Dito na lang at the back.
Yeah.
So kasama na rin sa ating turnover yung mga metal clothesline or sampayan.
And the louvers.
Metal louvers, included na rin yan. So wala nang iintindihin pa si client.
Correct.
Turnover.
And of course, typical Filipino family are really fond of the dirty kitchen. So you have already your dirty kitchen outside para hindi nga mga moy yung mga niluluto natin, diba? So, yeah.
So sa ating dirty kitchen outside, nasa gilid siya, covered na siya. Then yung mga ating built-in cabinets are also included sa package.
Yes. Then,
so marami kang pwedeng ilagay dito. Then yung washing machine natin, Sir Alan, dito siya. No?
Yeah, you have your provision
so, yung
for
mga laundry soap natin, yung mga soap na detergent.
Now, really excited to see what inside the house. So what are we waiting for, Sir Joni?
Para makita mo yung loob, Sir Alan.
So as we really entered the house, no, it's very welcoming because there's an open space layout from your, of course, living area into your dining area.
Tama, diba? Sir Alan, opo. So kung mapapansin nyo, si Julieta model, siya yung open layout.
Yes.
So pagpasok mo, yung ating living area and the dining.
Yes.
So kung maano nyo, sir, lahat ng mga standard deliverables natin for the Julieta is included.
Yes, including the cove light, yung design ng dito.
Yes, sir, yung fluted panel natin, kasama na yan, even the ceiling accent. Yung mga lights, LED, kasama na yan.
And I believe even the curtains.
So for now kasi meron tayong promo, which is fully furnished. Yun. So
it's really a hassle-free move-in, as in lilipat na lang kayo dito. So you are no longer worried about kung ano yung sa interior nyo, diba?
Usually kasi ganun ang nangyayari sa Alan, no? Si husband and wife nagtatalo kung ano appliances ang bibilhin, anong design. So kami nang nag-solve nun. So kami na magpo-provide para sa inyo.
As in lilipat na lang talaga.
Yes.
So as we move in here dito sa dining area natin, no? Even the pendant lights kasama na din yan.
Kasama na sa playlist. So sa dining naman natin, Sir Alan, no? napapansin nyo, 6-seater. So, pwede rin tong maging 8-seater, depende sa choice ng client.
Yes.
Pero sa previous na kasama kasi, yung kasama na yung ating dining set, 6-seater na included.
Oh, that's
Then,
nice.
aside from that, dito naman, may mga storage din tayo here. Yan. So, may mga secret storage tayo dito. So, reveal na siya. Hindi na secret. Yan. So, pwedeng magamit ni client to pag may mga gusto siyang itago or something. She can also use that one.
Yes.
Then, yun naman po yung ating extension na sinasabi ko. Yan yung salanay.
Yeah. So, you have the access here, di ba?
Yan, opo. So, ito yung sinasabi kong this is a extension from your dining papunta sa inyo lanay. Pag gusto yung magpahangin, pagkatapos ko.
And then, you've mentioned a while ago about the cabinet. So, sobrang aesthetic nga, no?
Yes,
para
sir.
at least hindi gulo-gulo yung mga gamit natin, no?
So, kung mapapansin nyo, aside sa dirty kitchen, kanina yung pinakita natin, meron pa rin tayong formal kitchen sa loob.
Yes.
So, ang kagandahan kasi, ay mananatili yung ating formal kitchen na well neat and clean siya.
Correct.
So, dito lang tayo nag-prepare naman.
Sir, I believe as you open that cabinet, meron siyang provision
Yes.
sa mga
Kasama na to, sir. So, may mga pull-out trays.
pull-out trays.
Dyan.
Yes.
Hindi lang dyan, meron na rin dito.
Yep. Para hindi nga kalat-kalat yung mga
Yes,
gamit,
sir.
mga
Opo.
pinggan, mga plato, di ba?
So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron na siyang mga pull-out trays na included. Para si wife, hindi wala siyang alalahanin sa niya
Correct.
ilalagay yung mga utensils niya. Then, for the previous yan, kahit yung built-in oven natin, included yun.
Included na. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-measure pa kung, ay, kasya ba to sa
Oo. So,
kitchen
kasi meron na nakalagay.
di ba? Oo.
And also, yung top ng ating formal kitchen, this one is made of quartz. So, much durable and mas madaling linis.
Yes. And also, that oven,
Yes.
right, kasama na din. And as you can see, there's a 2-door refrigerator dito. Hindi lang siya display. It comes with the deliverables, di ba, Sir
Yes,
Josie?
tama, sir.
So, ayan, di ba?
Yan.
Lalamnan nyo na lang. And then, you also have your provision for your pantry. So, para, again, organized yung mga gamit nyo.
And at this side naman, so dito yung ating bathroom sa ground floor. So ganyan na siya. As it is na siya pagka-deliver sa inyo. Yung ating sliding glass door. This one is included. Yung ating mirror. So ganito yung laboratory natin. Together with the toilet. Except lang tayo sa mga decorations. Pero lahat yan is included.
So, this is a 2-story house, but it comes with 4 bedrooms already. So, the first one is on the ground floor. So, dito tayo. So, for this one, pwede siyang gawin for, yan, as a guest room, or pwede rin siya, perfect din siya sa mga nag-work from home. Pwede nyo gawin siyang office room, diba?
Yung iba, ayan, ginagawa niya yung theater room. So, depende. Depende kay client kung anong gusto niya.
And also, perfect siya sa mga senior citizen na ayaw nang umakyat sa second floor, no?
Then, Sir Alan, no? Aside dyan, meron din siya mga storage here.
Oh!
So, spacious talaga siya. Then also, dito sa side.
So, basically, na-maximize talaga yung space.
Na-maximize, Sir Alan. Tama po.
Go to upstairs?
You can see, Sir Alan, no? Even yung mga stairs natin, may mga street lights.
Oo nga, very aesthetic,
Yes,
no?
para yung naglalakad si client, safe siya even at night kasi may mga lights siya.
Exactly. So, we're here in the hallway and you've noticed that there's a big full glass mirror here. So, pwedeng mag-check kung
Mag-OOTD,
diba?
Bago ka lumabas, so you can check kung bagay ba yung outfit.
Correct. Let's go to the master's bedroom. So, here in the master's bedroom, this is where the magic happens. Diba, Sir Johnny?
Yes, Sir Alan, tama. So, ito yung pinaka gusto ng lahat talaga, the master's bedroom. Spacious siya. Then, may mga built-in cabinets na rin tayo sa full-size cabinet. Then, meron tayong additional storage sa headboard. So, dito, Sir Alan, pwedeng ilagay ni client yung mga extra pillows o extra blankets niya dito.
And also, there's, you know,
built-in study table.
Built-in study
Kasama
table.
na rin sa previous yan, Sir Alan. So,
Yep.
may ganyan na. Before kasi mga unang project namin wala na.
Oh, nice. And yun nga, even very aesthetic din yung walls nyo, no?
For the TV, Sir Alan, yan, meron na rin silang TV console, which is included na rin yan.
And even the television is already included.
And also
air condition. Yep. And even of course, yung bed itself.
The bed frames included na rin, Sir Alan. So, ang kailangan na lang bilhin ni client is the mattress.
The mattress.
Yep. Then, the size naman for our bed is queen size.
Nice.
So, malaki na talaga.
And since this is a master's bedroom, you have also your own toilet and bathroom inside.
Yan. So, ganyan na rin siya.
If you've noticed, it's somehow similar to the ground floor na toilet and bathroom. It comes with the, the partition or the shower enclosure and lahat kasama na dyan except for the decorations lang.
So, Sir Alan, ito naman yung ating bedroom 2 sa second floor.
Yes. And perfect really siya sa mga kids, diba? For the start of family, no?
So, ito perfect talaga siya. Dito sa bedroom 2 kasi, kasama na rin yung TV console. And also the So, ganito na rin yung design. May pa-wood design.
As in talagang every rooms na-maximize talaga yung space, diba?
Even the full-size cabinet.
Oo nga.
Hanggang kasya lahat ng gamit mo.
Oo nga, yun. So, for our last bedroom, no? Ayan, kung you have one boy and one girl, no? Pwede rin siya maghati. And then for privacy, no? For every family members, no?
Yes, sir. So, yan, makikita mo, sir. Meron na rin siyang window type aircon. Even the curtains, included na yan. Study table, same lang. May mga shelves na rin dyan para pwede paglagyan ng gamit kung nakagagamit ng room. So, Sir Alan, dito sa ating second floor, so nandito yung ating commented. So, for the bedroom 1, meron silang magagamit. Same, all the inclusions natin dito, yung kasama na yung mga wood design natin, the mirror, yan. Kung paano yung siya nakita, ganun na rin siya sa third floor. So, yun, Sir Alan, no? Nakita mo na yung ano natin for the Julieta. So, anong masasabi mo sa design ng house?
So, since it's an open space and yun nga, na talagang na-maximize yung buong floor area ng bahay, no? And then, yun nga, properly and organized yung mga gamit mo kapag talaga tumira ka dito. And it comes with everything. As in, magmo-move in ka na lang talaga, lilipat ka na lang.
Kung mapapansin nyo, min-maximize na namin lahat ng mga cabinets na kailangan ninyo, yung mga sofa set, dining set, lahat ng furnitures and appliances para sa mga clients ninyo na more or less na talaga sila pag lilipat.
And the most exciting part to our house tour today is the price, diba?
Yes,
so, most of our viewers and potential clients are really curious kung how much ba to since it's already a fully furnished house and lot package with the with the design, the furnitures, the appliances, curtains, everything is already included. Move in na lang talaga, diba? So, how much is the starting price natin ba?
So, for Madonna Residences, we have a 3 phases here. So, we have the phase 3, phase 2, and phase 1. So, for now kasi, Sir Alan, yung phase 3 natin is sold out na.
So, ganun kabilis?
Ganun kabilis. Since we started last year lang. So, now, phase 3 is sold out. Ngayon, sa phase 2 naman namin, almost 60 to 70 sold na siya. So, from that price point kasi, ang starting natin doon for the Melcon or lahat ng ano natin is ranging 7.350 and above.
So, depende pa kung anong specific block and lot yung kukunin nyo. Especially if you're eyeing for a corner lot.
Yes, Sir Alan. For the corner lot kasi may mga different naman yung price natin doon. And also, may mga price din for the excess lot. Kasi ang standard natin is 164. Yung bahay, yung inikutan natin, this is a 164. Sa mga corner lot kasi meron tayong 177, meron nga 290. So pagka ganun, meron tayong corresponding na price for the excess lot.
So that's why you have to message us for more information and we're more than happy to guide and help you from the ocular visit to the documentation and even sa pag-apply ng loan for the bank, no? So up to turnover ng fully furnished house and lot nyo. And again, feel free to message us with this number and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yun nga, again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty, where we find homes.
Bye.